In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Joie Ispin 360. Firstly, the Joie Ispin 360 GT can be installed using ISOFIX connectors and a seat belt. Position the base and place the base onto the vehicle seat. Pull the load leg down to the vehicle floor and insert the ISOFIX guides to assist with the installation. Press the ISOFIX adjuster button to extend the connectors and attach both ISOFIX connectors to the vehicle's ISOFIX anchor points. Ensure both indicators turn green, confirming a secure fit. And also, you need to ensure the load leg is fully touching the vehicle floor and indicator confirms proper installation. Now, pull both ISOFIX connectors to check stability. Press the recline adjustment button to set the seat into the appropriate recline position, and multiple recline settings are available for both rear-facing and forward-facing modes. Recheck the load leg position after adjusting the recline, and attach the side impact protection on the fore side of the vehicle for additional safety. Press the release button to remove it when not needed. Now, all you have to do is adjust the head, support and shoulder harness, then install in rear-facing mode, which is recommended for infants. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.